Hello everyone. In this video lecture, I'm gonna talk about graphic design for social media. It will be interesting for beginner designers and also for entrepreneurs who are creating their social media content. This video lecture is recorded in the frame of the project Mentoring for Women Empowerment implemented by Mentor Hub. And I am Salome, one of the mentor of this project. I'm a social entrepreneur, founder of social enterprise Choose that aims promotion of sign language by inclusive board games. When I started my enterprise, I had limited financial resources. That's why I decided to learn graphic design and digital marketing in a professional way to use my knowledge for developing my enterprise. After this, at the same time, I started work with different companies in this field. I would like to talk about the importance of the visual communication. Visual communication is the most effective way of communication in nowadays world. People every day getting a ton of information, but a very small part of this information is remembered. Perfect visuals makes your messages more memorable. Try to find your authentic style. It will help you to make your communication impactful. Before you start creating your social media visuals, at first understand your target audience. Um, who are you trying to talk to? What interest does they have? What is their demographic and geographical information? What kind of devices does they use? And this kind of information help you to understand your audience and create content that is relevant and interesting for your target audience. Communication getting much more easier when you know uh, people who are you talking. After this, uh, it's important to choose the best size for your social media content. Most of the content nowadays will from mobile devices. Because of this, the square format is the best format for your social media visuals. For Facebook and Instagram posts, use 1200 pixel size square, and for Facebook cover visuals use 1200 and 175 pixel size visuals. I would like to introduce um, a very good tool for non-designers to create visuals that looks really professional. Canva is an online platform where you can create your visuals online. And the best thing about this is that it's completely free and it's very simple and easy to use. I'm gonna make a small introduction of Canva to show you how it works and what kind of tools does it have. This is a home page, and here you can find different templates that you can use to create different kind of visuals, not only for Facebook and Instagram. You can also create presentations and other different kind of content. If you know exact size what you need for your design, you can click on custom dimensions and just type it here. For example, 1200 pixels by 1500, and you can choose what kind of dimension do you need: pixels, inches, millimeters, or centimeters. Now let's start with Instagram posts. Here you can find too many free templates with different kind of topics, and you can also search topic what you need. For example, New Year, and you will find too many visuals that you can choose one and edit and create your own design. If you don't like what you've done, you can undo with this button or use Control Shift, and you can redo by using this button or by using Control Shift Z. Now let's talk about other features. You can upload your visual and use images or videos that you like. Or you can also find free stock photos and use them for your visuals. Let's take this, try this, and this. You can edit effects on your photo, or also filters, adjustments. You can add brightness, contrast, saturation. And I'm gonna talk about very interesting tool. This is Copy Style, and by using this you can easily copy the filter that you've done in another photo. It's very helpful tool, and it makes your job really easier, and you don't have to make this kind of things in different photos. It not looks very well, but it's really good too. So you can also crop your images and flip them. And you can also align like this. And I don't like it and I would like to delete it. So it's about photos. There's one last tool. We can make it transparent, like this. And now talk about text. There are also too many free templates for text and too many fonts. So you can choose which you like, or if you don't want templates, you can choose this and write what you want. Example. You can change fonts from this. Use this one. We can also change size from here, color. We can make it bold, but this font doesn't have bold version. Underline it. Align. And can use this and change line height and also letter. And align. Can use this, like change this kind, and also can make it transparent or just delete. Here you can also find very beautiful backgrounds, and by using them create really beautiful content. Or you can also use solid color for your background. Now let's try to create social media content in 2 or 3 minutes. Let's choose photo. Let's search some topic, for example, gym. I think it's a good one. We can make this photo background size by just one click, and by double click we can move our photo. It's effects, I think it's a good one. I use some elements, for example, this square. This. Okay. Change color. Change transparency. And use text. For example, move forward. Let's choose more beautiful font. I think this is good one. We can add effects to our font. Bigger. I think it looks okay. Now we can change its name. And download. We can choose different format, but for this content, PNG is the best option. So that's it. Let's download. Nowadays, it's not very easy to grab viewers' attention in social media. For this, we need really impressive visuals that can stop scrollers. I will try to share some tips and show some trends that can help you to create this kind of visuals. Use contrast. By using this, you can outline most important part of your ad and also grab viewers' attention. But be careful when you're choosing colors. Don't use too much colors. And you can also use color wheel. It will be really helpful. Or search different color palettes online. Representing three-dimensional objects in two-dimension is a very good trend. It's also very good, very popular for tech startups. You can find this kind of visuals for free on freepik.com. and by using them, you can create really impressive content. Paper cut visuals are really eye-catching, and it's very easy to create by using shadow. You can create abstract forms, and you can also combine photo and graphics, and by using this create 3D effects. By using hyper bright high chroma illuminated gradients, you will definitely deserve viewers' attention. Doodles are really fun to create, and it's nowadays it's one of the biggest trend. By using them, you can create really authentic visuals that can help you to grab viewers' not only attention, but also their love. Text is most important part of any kind of visual, especially for social media content. So you should choose carefully your fonts. This visual best represents how much fonts matter. It's very important that its characteristics should be connected with your message. For social media content, use fonts that are easy to read because you don't have too much time to bring your message to audience, so you should make it simple. Do not use too much text that covers your image. Your text should be less than 20% of your visual. Otherwise, your ad will have bad results and will not reach its full audience. It also can be blocked by Ads Manager. To avoid this, you can check online text percentage on your image by using a Facebook text overlay tool. You can fill your text with an image. It's a very good solution when you want your text to be dominated on your visual. It's also very eye-catching and very easy to create. You can create this kind of visual also in Canva. I want to show you how to create this kind of visual, how to fill text with an image by using Canva. Let's start from here, choose our format. Then choose background for our visual. Let's make with this. We can set the image as a background by one click. We can also use this kind of shape. A line in the center and change the color. Then, most important part, find frames of letters. By using Shift, we can select them together and group to, and then the line, it's in the center. And the last step is to fill with the image. One of the most important part of any kind of digital ad is call to action button. Every ad has different aim and it can simply express by using this button. And if you properly use call to action button, you will get much more results. Wish you good luck in your design journey. I hope that my tips will be helpful at least a little bit. Thank you for watching.